Yes. Yes. Yes, mother. Yes. Yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? Well, just a moment ago, I was talking to the mother of all sauces, and that's one of the staples that everybody should have in their kitchen. Like, I'm of the opinion that everybody should know how to make a bechamel sauce. That's exactly what we're gonna make today. So, wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! And this beautiful lighting, let's start with the ingredients you need. So you need 80 grams of flour, and you need exact same amount of butter, so 80 grams. And also you need a pinch of nutmeg, which brings out the bechamel taste and gives it a nutty flavor, and salt and pepper, and of course a liter of milk. Use any milk you like. Come on, let's cook. Start off with a heavy bottom pan on a medium-high heat. This ensures that the butter nor the milk burn up too quickly. Proceed to add the butter to the pan and melt that down. The melting of the butter will probably take about 1 or 2 minutes. Either way, stay by it because the butter can burn up quite quickly. As the butter is completely melted down, add all the flour at once. It's very important that you completely cook out all the flour, such that you don't find those grainy pieces in your bechamel sauce. While you keep on stirring, you'll realize that it becomes quite doughy. At this point, try to scrape off all the flour from the sides of the pan, such that it cooks out nicely. Be sure to check out the description for all the ingredients. Now while you're at it, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also ring that bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. This helps out the channel a lot. Thanks! What you're left with in the pan is a white flour roux. When the flour is nicely cooked out, turn off the heat before you add the milk. This will make the process easier and also ensure that you don't leave lumps nor burn the sauce. Then go ahead and add a bit of the milk. At this point, it's good to switch to a whisk. Switching to a whisk is optional, but highly recommended. Use the whisk to scrape the pan and add more milk to ensure that none of the roux gets left behind in the pan. When you're certain that the whole pan is scraped, add the remaining milk and put it back on the stove while you whisk on a medium-high heat. We're almost done with this beautiful bechamel sauce. Continue to season the bechamel with a pinch of nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Now let it simmer for a bit and whisk in the seasoning. As it's simmering away, you realize that the bechamel comes to a boiling point and it starts to thicken up. The way to be certain that the bechamel is perfectly cooked is to use the back of the spoon trick. Let me show you how. Stick in a spoon, any spoon for that matter. Oh wait, it's out of the screen. Let me show you better. So what I like to do when I make bechamel is to put them in containers and to use them later. But either way, let me show you the back of the spoon trick. Stick the spoon in and draw a line. And if you see that that line stays clear without the sauce dripping down, then the sauce is thick enough to be used. All by all, this bechamel sauce is yum! You see that? Well, that bechamel sauce is gonna be a basis for a lot of sauces we're gonna make in the next episodes. Stay tuned and also like this video if you have enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care guys. Peace.